Hello and welcome to this fifth episode of Python. Today we're going to be looking at sequences and lists. A sequence is something that lets you store data, very much like a list. One of the things in Python is actually called a list, and that's what I'm going to be showing you all today. Another type of sequence I might talk about soon is also called a tuple or a tuple, but today I'm just going to show you guys how to make a list so you know what I'm on about. So to make a list in Python, it's absolutely dead easy. It starts out very much like a variable, so let's just go with family. Then you'll want an equals sign, just like a variable. Then you'll want square brackets or braces, which is just like them. Then you'll want to put the members or your elements inside. So if I put mom, dad, sis, and dog. Whoops. In like so. Enter. Once your elements are properly formatted, you can go ahead and hit enter, and your list is now saved. Once you made your list, Python automatically numbers each element in your list, and numbers done very weirdly, so, you know, take a note of this or something. Unlike the first one being 0 and the second one being 2, this first one is actually 0, and then dad would be 1, that would be 2, and that would be 3. So, if you type the name of your list and type in the index number in square brackets or braces, so let's just go for family 3, it should show up dog, because dog is actually the fourth coming from 0. There you go, dog. That's cool. It also works backwards if it's easier to count if you've got a big long list and you want to count backwards. Say we want to go to dad. It doesn't go from -0 because there's no such thing as negative to 0. Else that would just be 0, wouldn't it? So it goes -1, -2, -3. So let's go for family. Oops. -3. There you go. Simple. Why is this useful then? Because you can access each different element of the list when you're in a big long code. Also strings can be indexed, so if I had, you know, if I just had Charlie and I wanted to get the third character, which would be the R, because C is 0, there you go. It will display each character as an index number, so C would be 0, H would be 1, A would be 2, so on and so on. That's basically sequences and lists. That's really simple. We'll be moving on to tuple or tuple lists or sequences, sorry, very soon. And yeah, cool.